Hey guys, Deng Autotech here. It's been a while. I haven't done a YouTube video, but that doesn't mean to say I wasn't working on several cars. I did several different brands and like Mercedes. I did some Nissans. I did some GMCs. Today I'm working on a Toyota Sequoia, and because it's almost the ending of the year, I decided to shoot this video so that my subscribers and my viewers could know that I'm still making videos. Okay, today what we're doing, we're working on the struts for this car, and we're doing the front struts. But so far, I had already taken off the wheel, and this is the rotor. Now I'm going to take off this castle nut. I had already removed the cotter pin from off this castle nut here, and now if you go on top, we have like 1, 2, 3, those are 15mm nuts that is holding this strut together, the strut assembly. Okay, the strut and the coil spring. However, I had already loosened the nut down here, which is a 19mm nut. Okay, that was down here. I had already loosed that. Now I'm loosening the one on top. The one in the back is kind of hard to get, so I'm using a 15. If you look at it there, yeah, clear and nice. See, yeah, that's a 15mm wrench that I'm using to take off 1, 2, 3. Okay, after I take that off, then this whole strut assembly here will be able to come out. All right, and so far this is the wheel cover. Yeah, the wheel cover. Okay, and this is a 19mm nut that I took off the strut from the bottom of the lower control arm, and these are the nuts for the wheel. Okay, I'll continue to work on this, and like what I say, it's not a hard job to do, but it's just, you know, it takes a lot of strength. All right, so we take off the wheel already. We're going to take this off, then we'll do the other side. Okay, then from there we'll continue this video. But so far, also what we'll take off the upper control arm. Okay, but and to lose that, we'll lose this. I think this is a long bolt that goes all the way through. Okay, this is a front of it. All right, and then it goes all the way through to right here, this end right here. So we'll have to lose that and try to take this bolt out in order to take off this upper control arm. Then I'm gonna take out the bushings, just gonna replace the bushings and put this upper control arm back. We're supposed to be good to go. All right, pause it.